What is data mining? Data mining is the process of discovering and extracting useful patterns, insights, and knowledge from large sets of data. It involves using various techniques and algorithms to analyze data, identify trends, relationships, and correlations, and ultimately transform raw data into meaningful and actionable information. Data mining is often used in various fields, including business, science, healthcare, finance, and more, to uncover hidden patterns and relationships that can help in decision-making, predictive modeling, and identifying opportunities for improvement. Some examples of data mining in day-to-day life. There are few disciplines in which data mining is used. Database technology, statistics, visualization, machine learning, pattern recognition, algorithms, and other disciplines. There are some applications of data mining. Recommendations. After buying a product from online shopping websites like Amazon, Flipkart, you will get a list of recommended products, and you end up buying one of those. By analyzing your past data, this is possible to recommend, and analyzing part will be done by AI and ML. Crime Prevention Agency. Crime prevention agencies also need data mining to studying and understanding patterns of crime, so that they can avoid crimes in future. This data includes detailed information about crimes activities which are already happened. We have to discuss data mining steps. Data mining steps. The basic steps of data mining are follows. Data collection, data cleaning, data analysis, interpretation. Data collection. The first step is to collect some data. As much as information we have is good to make the analysis easier later. We have to make sure that the source of data is reliable. Data cleaning. Since we are getting a large amount of data, we need to make sure that we only have the necessary data and remove the unwanted. Otherwise, they may lead us to false conclusions. Data analysis. As the name says, the analysis and finding patterns is done here. Interpretation. Finally, the analyzed data is interpreted to take important conclusions like predictions. Data mining techniques. There are data mining techniques that will be discussed in the upcoming section of the lecture. First of all, we discuss classification. Classification technique of data mining is used to classify data in different classes. It is based on machine learning. Classification is used to classify each item in a set of predefined data set of classes or groups. This technique uses mathematical concepts such as decision trees, linear programming, neural network, and statistics. In classification, there is a software that can learn how to classify the data items into groups. Algorithm used for classification is logistic regression, naive Bayes, nearest neighbor. Now we will discuss the clustering. Clustering technique of data mining used to identify data that are like each other. This technique helps to understand similarities and differences between the data. This technique makes meaningful classes and objects and puts object in each class which having similar characteristics. Algorithm used for clustering is hierarchical clustering algorithm, etc. Further, we discuss the regression. Regression is a technique of data mining which analyzes the relationship between variables. It creates predictive models. Regression technique can analyze and predict the results based on previously known data by applying formulas. Regression is very useful for finding the information on the basis of existing known information. Algorithms used for regression are multivariate, multiple regression algorithm, etc. We have other technique is called association. Association is a technique that helps find the connection between two or more items. This technique can create a hidden pattern in data set. This pattern is discovered on the basis of relationship between items which are in same transaction. This technique is used in market basket analysis to identify a product that customers frequently purchase together. Further, we have to discuss outlier detection. Outlier detection is a type of data mining technique that refers to observation of data items in the dataset which do not match an expected pattern or expected behavior. This technique can be used in a variety of domains, such as intrusion detection, fraud or fault detection, etc. Other data mining technique used is sequential patterns. Sequential pattern is a data mining technique that helps to create or find similar trends in transaction data for certain time of period. It is one of data mining technique that explore to discover or find similar patterns, trends in transaction data over a business period. With historical transaction data, vendor can identify items that customers buy together different times in a year. This technique will also help to customers to buy the product with better deals based on their previous purchased data. Further we have to discuss in this lecture is prediction. Prediction is a data mining technique which is a combination of other data mining techniques like sequential patterns, clustering, classification, etc. It analyzes past events for predicting a future event. The prediction technique can be used in the sale to predict profit/loss for the future.